Alright YouTube, before we get started in today's tutorial, I've got a brief message about the giveaway. For one, I'm going to let y'all know something before y'all get to judge me in the comments when this tutorial starts. One, I still have both of the giveaway items, all four of the giveaway items. I have the softy, I gotta see which one. Okay, that's the medium, and I still got both of the do-rags. So, these are the giveaway brushes. And in my right hand, I have two of the same brushes. Right hand, my personal brushes. Left hand, giveaway brushes. Yes, they're the same brushes. I couldn't just give some brushes away without at least seeing how they feel. So I ordered two of the same brushes. So when I get started in this tutorial today, and I start brushing my hair with one of the brushes from the giveaway, which y'all thinking is gonna be the brush from the giveaway, is really my personal brushes right here. As y'all can see, the giveaway brushes are cleaner than the ones that I've been using. This the giveaway brush. This is the I've been using. All right, y'all. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing y'all how to stop your hair from looking matted. No healthiness, just real matted. I'm gonna be showing y'all how to get the healthiness to it. So let's start off by unragging. So as y'all can see, my hair do look healthy, but it's also matted at the same time. So I'm gonna show y'all how to get it back really healthy and just what to do when you first come out to do-rag. Let me show y'all the essentials you need. You're gonna need you a comb. You're gonna need you a ghetto lay down G, because I'm not finna spend my money when I can make my own. You don't always have to spend your money. I got PB moisturizer right there. Make sure you got your mirror, your handy dandy mirror, some oil, the last bit of it, off your brushes, man. So you want to start off by combing, but make sure that you get in the mirror and comb, like I'm about to do. Now this is for beginners, and this is also for, advanced wavers. This is for any type of waver. So right now, I'm gonna just let it speed through while I finish combing my whole head. And after I comb my whole head, then I want y'all to meet back up with me after y'all done combing y'all whole head. So let's get to it, y'all. Pick up y'all combs and let's go in. All right, now that the comb session's over, you want to put your comb down and pick up the next essential that you're going to need. The mirror you're going to need in each one of the last one of these steps. You're going to need that. Now that we combed and risen our hair up, something needs to go in our hair so it can lock in. You feel me? You want to raise your hair up so you can put some stuff into your hair. You feel me? And you just want to drop that bad boy in your hair like it's a hot oil treatment. You don't always gotta use too much of it. You want it to use a little bit, seep down in the scalp, you feel me? We're gonna skip right to the brush, to the plastic bag, so we can get it, you know, locked, you know, all around my head. So then that way we can brush. Now that I got my ghetto plastic bag, I put the oils in my hair. I combed it a little bit for the front, just to, you know, spread it out a little bit. You want to comb and spread it out a little bit. Then you want to use the plastic bag for the rest of the half, because this is what's really going to spread your hair, spread the oils out through your whole head, you feel me? So you just want to use your ghetto plastic bag or your lay down G, whichever, it doesn't matter, so I can get the same job done. Alright, by now you should be done with the bag. After the bag method, your hair should be looking more locked and sealed and more healthy. It's not matted anymore. It's actually greasing in your scalp because, you know, you rubbed it all around. Like I said, y'all still see the giveaway video stuff right there. This is not the giveaway brush. Review on these brushes will be dropping soon. Now you want to just go in with your softy, because, you know, we still got to get it, you know, now we got to get it through the second layer of hair because we're woofing. And you want to get it deep in your hair. Please excuse if any of the bristles fall off in my hair. This is a new brush, so when you get a new blonde brush, bristles tend to fall out, but they're not going to fall out to where their brushes are damaged. They're just new bristles, and certain bristles are, you know, they like to make their product good and put a lot of bristles into it. So some of them might fall out, some of them might not got locked in.
My nose itching like crazy, man. Don't forget about your beard, you know? Gotta make that grow. I'll be showing y'all how to grow those later.
And now that you went in with the softy to get it, you know, deeper in your hair, I know it's still soft, so it's not gonna get deep in your hair when you woofing, when you're in high woof stages. It's just, you know, I'm making sure it's thoroughly through my hair. Let's grab your next brush, which is your medium hard or your straight up hard. Right now I'm using my medium hard because I'm not too deep into my woof stage to where I really need my hard brush, you know? So you grab your medium hard right now. Anyway, yeah, like dreads, you know, your fro, you know, they fro grow under like a little fro. But, you know, and then it be they dread, you feel me? So then they get retwisted, they have to get retwisted from the root of their head, which is their scalp, and then it be a fresh dread going all the way down and they be longer. Just like with hair, when we comb back, it's like new growth. Don't mind your hair lifting up because of the hard brush, because you're going to lay it back down with this softy, and we're going to lay it back down with the plastic bag at the end of this, you know. So don't mind your hair lifting up. It does that. It's called hair. It's new. It's a lot of hair on your head. It needs to lift up. It's going to lift up. It's going to look like your waves are gone, but they really are under there. Anyway, like I was saying, you know, y'all might have forgot, but going with the softy now. Now it's time to lay them hair back down, y'all. Your handy dandy notebook. Who seen Blue's Clues, man? Y'all into Blue's Clues when y'all was a kid? That's probably too old for y'all, man. I was born in '99. But go in with your plastic bag, your lay down G, your paper bag, your 99 cent store bag, your brown paper bag. It don't matter. Get it in. Let's go. You already know. Gotta go in. Gotta win. Am I being annoying, y'all? I think so. Let's just go in. So right now the plastic bag really lays down all the frizzes and the curls that, you know, didn't want to lay down, all the little tiny frizzy hairs. I don't know if y'all can see them or not. Y'all probably can't see them, but if y'all did see them, that's all the little frizzy hairs that it's gonna lay down. And then you throw your do-rag on, double compress if you whiffing heavy.
And don't be afraid to put a little pressure on your head. The whole point is to lay your hair down. That's all we're doing, man. Brushing, putting product in, making my hair healthy, laying it back down, trying to make it look as neat as possible. So when we get this cut, and we get that new fresh cut, and we feel like a new man, whew, we stop being corny for y'all, man. That's what this do, lay down, man. Yeah, this is what you do when you're lazy. Hit that side, but I'm not lazy, I'm gonna switch. I need all compression, I need all, it's all money in right, it's all waves in right now.
Fun part of the day, man. Double compress. I already got my do-rags tied to how I want them, to the compression I want them. I don't want to have them too tight, so I have them pre-tied. All right, y'all. I can't stay here for too long. I gotta get up out of here. Like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends. The giveaway's still up. Hurry up and go enter before it's too late. I'm picking winners at the end of today, and it's going nuts, man. I'm out.